And welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So I wanted to put together a quick video on a bug that I've run into very recently. And when I say recently, I mean as in today. So as you can see on my desktop here, and I'll go ahead and highlight these so you can see them better against the wallpaper, all of my home directories are now being displayed on my desktop. Now when I go into my home directory, all those directories are in there, right? So you would think that I could just go ahead and delete this, move it to trash, and all is well that ends well. Well, if we go into our directory, our home directory, and we try to click on the downloads folder, it's going to give us an error saying unable to find. So that's not the answer. So we can't just delete it. So we have to fix it another way. Let me go into my trash can and restore that back to where it was. So what we're looking at here is basically the corruption of our config file for our user-dirs.dirs file. So to fix this, I'm going to open up a terminal. And the first thing we want to do is take a look at that file. So we're going to type in cat, and then we're going to do //.config /user or user/dir.dirs. I'm sorry, dirs.dirs. So let me do that again. Cat space //.config /user -dirs.dirs. Then we hit enter. And what we should be looking at here down below were xgd. And by the way, the config file for xgd, which xgd stands for X desktop group, it manages the user directories. So when you're booting in, it localizes the locations it localizes these directories so we can access them. In this case, it should say xdg_desktop_dir equals $home, and then after the /, it should say desktop. And this should say download, this should say template, this should say public, documents, music, pictures, and videos. It doesn't do that. So because of that, everything is defaulting to the desktop. So there's an easy way to fix this. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in gedit, and then a space, and then a tilde, /.config /user -dirs.dirs. Hit enter. We're going to edit this by adding the directories, and what we need to do is make sure that we are using the proper capitalization and spelling. This is going to be desktop. We'll come down to the second line and we'll do downloads. Let me double check that. And it is downloads, plural. Go on to the next one, we'll do templates. And public is not public share, it's just public. Capital P, public. And then documents. And then music. Pictures. And videos. And we'll go ahead and save this. And we'll close out of this. And then we'll exit out of our terminal. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video and reboot. And when I come back, you'll see that all this will be gone. Now after the reboot, you can see all is well in the world again. All the directories have been allocated to their proper location, so I can come in here and check music, downloads, documents, desktop, everything's fine. All right, so I hope this helps somebody out in the future, or maybe you're in a situation right now, but thank you all for watching. Stay safe out there and have a good one.